So good day everyone, my name is Mayawa Latif. I'm a remote sensing and GISQ developer, and this is the part 2 of the previous video I made. If you have not seen the previous video, you can go to my timeline and you will see it. And please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also drop your comment so we can be able to make more videos. So previously we mentioned how we are going to clip our data to your region of interest. And then it was only one image, but now working with data like multispectral instrument like Landsat, Sentinel, which are multispectral, might actually be challenging. So now I'll be using Sentinel-2. So I'm just going to load. You can decide to write your own code, but for this tutorial sake or for this training, I would just use the default code that is placed there. So let me go straight to it. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, as this might be this will be educative for others. Okay, very good. So this is the default code that brings out the RGB, that is the natural color. And one thing I want you to notice in this code is that the main function is already applied. So for you to clip your data set to a region of interest, you have to get the main value or the median. So let me just change this to median. Very good. Then I'm just going to draw my region of interest anywhere. Okay, let us pick probably Italy. Somewhere in Italy. Good. So I'm going to use this place. Then I would draw my region of interest just like we did in the first part of this video. And I mentioned this is a part 2. Then that is very good. So I would like to also center my object to my of interest. So let me zoom this so you can see better. Good. So I'll center it to my region of interest. Then I'll put it 12. Also the polygon we drew rather, I'll put it as region of interest. So it's going to see this polygon as a region of interest. Then I'm going to clip my data set just like we did for the previous video to my region of interest. Clip region of interest. Yeah, that is very good. Okay, this is good. So let us go ahead and run it. Okay, so we have to use the function center objects. I mentioned that before. So good. So let us run it now. So I'm going to zoom it out so we can see it better. So we can see that the code has already clipped to our region of interest. So with this you can easily retrieve your data set. Then you can see this area. Then I would probably like to increase the contrast. So do well to like, share and subscribe, and also drop in the comment section what you would like me, the video you would like me to make rather. Yeah, okay, good. You can see the build-ups, and also you can also come around and use other color composition, maybe color infrared. You can apply it. Then with this you can just easily export your data set for your region of interest. Then it will be music already from this platform. So, and that is it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Bye.